equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad 5 and unplug it. Remove the screws from the back cover. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Next, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover. Be careful not to damage the clips. Once open, take a moment to clean the internal components with the microfiber cloth. Dust can affect performance. Now, locate the LCD cover. Carefully detach it from the screen assembly. Inspect for any damage. If you notice cracks or chips, it's time for a replacement. Align the new LCD cover and press it into place. Ensure it fits snugly. Reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. For those who prefer professional help, remember, professional diagnosis without obligation is available. Enjoy the convenience of pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quote before repair. Your Lenovo IdeaPad 5 will be as good as new. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.